We are in Sharjah, coming to look at the kitchen. Drive outside. Hey guys, my kitchen is right here. We delivered all the appliances here. And then this is the design of the door as well, for the deck. So it's going to extend outward a little bit. We are in Sharjah, coming to look at the kitchen. So all of the joinery work, which is basically woodwork, you know, for the composition of all the cabinetry, woodwork that's being set and done to spec for the villa and to the specific dimensions of the design for the villa. And so we're at a workshop here in Sharjah, right outside of Dubai. So it's about 30-minute drive outside. Hey guys, my kitchen is right here. So this is the skeleton of the cabinets for the kitchen. Right here is where the sink will go. Over here, they're resetting the sink because I just bought a farmhouse sink. So the dimensions for that are 33 inches by 18, and that's going to be delivered soon. So they're just making sure that that's going to be able to fit over here. So they're talking about it. Over here is the other side of the kitchen. And this is one of the doors for the villa. And this is where the fridge will go. So we bought two different units. One will be left, one will be right. There'll be a total of 4 doors. Freezer at the bottom, fridge at the top. And so what we did to make sure that everything fits from a dimensions perspective is we delivered all the appliances here. And here are their appliances. So there's the fridge, there's the stove and the oven. And they're still delivering right now the dishwasher so that they can make sure everything fits in the factory before it's delivered and set. That's gonna save us a lot of time. And over here, we were talking about the design of the doors. So here's a mock-up on the outside of the door. One adjustment that we made is this area will actually be curved, and so will this. I think it will, you know, give it a better aesthetic. So that's one bedrooms, and you can see that the carving is inside of the door as opposed to outside. So that was something that we were talking about back and forth. You know, what looks better, what design probably for the door actually goes better with the overall design of the villa. And I liked how that looked. And over here is cabinet door for the kitchen. You can see the color that we agreed on. I think it was white linen. It looks good.
1 centimeter out is fine for the...
Yeah, that's fine. So that's for the farmhouse sink. So it's going to extend outward a little bit. I guess my only question is, for the faucet and everything, we have enough space here, right? Perfect. So we got 33 inches. What is that in centimeters?
Yeah. 84.
84, okay. That's it, perfect. And then depth is 18 inches. 33 across, and then 18 down. So what does that look like?
Down is 10 inch.
18 inch.
Okay.
And then it's gonna come out just a little bit on the corner right here. Gonna curve out. It's gonna look good. The only adjustment we had to make, Mohan, over here is, you know, because the sink is wider, we're just gonna put it like a spice rack or sort of pull out right there, right? I don't know what we'll do on that side. Maybe that's something we can discuss. So that was the only like big question mark. And is the dishwasher still here, right?
Yeah, dishwasher.
So that fits fine. No issues there. We don't have to make any adjustments. We will have to make adjustments here, right? Mohan, over here, we were gonna put the oven. So now just the microwave and a cabinet because now the oven's going over here, right? So that's the other area that we need to make adjustments. So we'll reduce the size of that because these hang. This will be open for the countertop, right? For the Calcutta Lincoln, that's what it's called, for the porcelain. Okay.
Here we have the glass door.
Yep, glass door over there. Corner, and then the island will be right here. We'll walk through, and then on this side, we'll be able to walk through or across the island. And over here will be some cabinets and a coffee bar. And then in the corner will be this. This is a little breakfast nook area. So we'll be able to use that for seating. So that's the update from the Joinery Workshop. I'll try to put in some more information about some of the things that we considered when we were trying to fit out the kitchen and how we wanted to utilize it best, layout and things of that nature. If you have any questions, send them over and follow for more.